This meeting is being recorded.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about project. Okay, now this project is completely related to HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript. So without the late, let me start here. Okay, now I'm creating one file on my desktop. Okay, and file name call it as web project. So after creating after creating this folder, just go to VS Code and import your file what you created. Okay. And next, here I'm creating new file. So new file name, call it as home.html page. Shift 1, enter. Now in this page, first I need to create one navigation section and next one more thing I need to create like products. So after products I need to create one footer section. Okay, now for the navigation I'm creating here one division and next division having one class equals to now. So let me add properties here in internal by using dot now. Okay, I'm applying CSS properties, width equals to 100%. And next let me take height equals to something like 80 pixel. Okay, now I'm using one background color. Let me take one color. Now execute here with the help of live servo. Then after executing, okay, now after executing it's generated one port number. Then let me check here that port number, localhost 5500 and home.html. Now it is showing one what is it now. Now by default it is providing top some space, even left and right also some spaces. So remove that one by using star. Okay, now margin value equals to 0 and next take padding value equals to 0. Okay, now after that inside my division I'm creating two divisions. So one is for the name. So I want to create one e-commerce website, so I'm using here title is also changed with e-commerce. Okay, now e-commerce website. Even here also, if you want, go with as e-commerce or shopping. Anything is fine. And next here I will take like four anchor tags. Okay, four anchor tags I'm using. And first one I will go with as home section. Next second thing I will take as like about section. Next thing is nothing but contact us. Next one more thing is nothing but cart page. Okay, now after creation of this, how it is looking? It is looking like this. Then let me arrange properties here. So inside parent I'm using display flex direction. So after giving display flex, it is making to the horizontal. Then align that one exactly center. Align items equals to center. And justify content I'm using for space arrow. So how it is giving? Fine, it is giving properly. Then target each division separately. Use class name equals to something like nav1. Next again here I'm using one more class for the second division. So class equals to nav2. Then take nav1. Okay, and inside here first check with background color how it is providing. And next, same thing, take dot navbar 2, okay, and go with your background color, and inside background color, one color I given. I think it is taking same color. Let me change to different. Okay. Okay, now it is giving like this. Then increase that width and height. So take this one width as like 30%, and remaining width take for this one like 70% because our parent is 100%. Okay. And target this one exactly center I need. Then take text align value is center. Okay, fine. And next, this one equal distance I need. So use display flex direction and justify contain space around. One check it. Okay, it is showing properly. Okay, it is showing properly everything. Then remove these background colors. I don't want these background colors. Okay. And next, underline also I don't want. Then take here one font size. Okay. Now font size value should be larger. Okay. Then remove underline. Number 2 with the anchor tag. Remove text decoration value as none. Once check it. Okay, it removed. Now this is navigation bar. Then after navigation bar, I need to create products, right? So for the products, I'm using division. Then take class equals to product. Let me use product container, product, product container. And this ID is also I'm providing with same product container. Okay. Now let me do JavaScript. Based on the JavaScript, I will add functionality here. Then take script. Now after script, target your elements. Use your document dot get element by ID. So what is our ID name? Product container. Correct? Just copy this product container and paste it here. After targeting of that element, store inside one variable product with container. Okay. And now here I will use one fetch method. Okay. And inside fetch method, based on API request, I will take products. Then use here fake API products. Okay. Now these fake API products I'm using to create e-commerce website. Then paste it here. After that, we are expecting callback function. Okay, inside callback function, follow here response. Then after that response, we need to convert our JSON object to the normal object by using response dot JSON method. Okay. Then after that, to handle that requirement, we have to create again one more then method. So here we are getting products, right? So let me check whether we are getting products or not in console. Okay. Then take here products. Okay. Now go to web page. Go to web page. Refresh. Okay. Now go to inspect in console. It will give, just wait. It is taking some time to load it. Okay. Now it is providing for us 20 products, and the 20 products it's converted to JSON object format to the normal object format. So what is the difference between normal object and JSON object? JSON object having double quotes for the key, but here normal object don't have any double quotes for key. Okay, now after converting that, let me do a logic. Now here I'm creating, I need to insert values to this product, right? Okay, then I targeted that product. Let me use here product dot inner HTML equals to, because along with the HTML content I need to upload my product details, so I'm using inner HTML. Okay, then take your division, then after division use one class name equals to uh, products. Okay, products item I'm providing, and inside product item I need to take one image from the object, then take dollar flower base, then provide your products. Okay, multiple products we have, then do one thing, target that multiple products by using map function. We cannot take directly at a time, all right? So use products dot map function. It is having one callback function, so individual products we are getting, then take product, then after the product do this logic. Okay, now use products dot map function. It is having one callback function, individual products, right? Then take product, it is having one callback function, then do the logic with the product dot image. Okay, and check once whether it is providing images or not. It will give, because it is taking some time to load. Okay, now only one product it is giving. I need multiple, then use plus equals to, then it will add all products, 20 products it will add here. Okay, now 20 products it is adding, then take here after image. Okay, after image, then take here something like title. I need to use title also, then use S3, and inside H3 take here dollar flower base and follow product dot title. Next after title I need to take price also, then take H3, and inside H3 wrap price from that HTTP request, so it is there in product now dot and price. So for the price I use like dollar symbol, and next after price let me create here one button, so that button, okay, that button name I will give as next page. Next page, or let me go with the product details. Okay, check once how it is giving. Okay, image with content and button. Okay, for each and everything content button it is providing. Then let me apply CSS properties to this parent. Okay, now take here dot product container. and use here display grid. Then each row I need to take 4. Then that is possible with one property, call it as grid template, and repeat. So what I need to repeat, 4 products, that to equal sharing with 1 for in each row. Okay, fine. It is providing 4 products in each row. Then let me arrange this one properly. Okay, now here I'm using products item dot products item. Then width equals to, take like width, otherwise do one thing, use product item of image and decrease size, width equals to something like 30%. Okay, 30%, I think it is very less. Then take like 40%. And next here I'm using one border, so border like 1 pixel and solid. Then I need to give something like shadow effect for this one. Okay, that shadow effect here I'm providing with the box shadow generator. Use something this website like 95 box shadows, and take any one of the shadow effect. Suppose let me check with the shadow, copy that and paste it here. Okay, fine. Now each product I need some gap. Then take here gap having something like 20 pixel. And next here provide something like border radius equals to 20 pixels. If you want, then use here object fit with cover. Okay. I think border radius not taking 2 pixel. Okay, let me give 20 pixel. Okay, now exactly center we need. Okay, then use here first padding with something like 20 pixel, and exactly center we need, right? Instead of cover, let me check with fill. Okay, uh, use here something like 50% and leave it about fill. Then take here something like display, flex direction, and justify content, center. Next, align items equals to center, and flex direction value should be column. Okay, fine. It is providing properly. Good. But margin also I need for all products. Then check with something like margin 20 pixel. Just wait, it will give, because it is taking time to load all these products because I'm fetching from API. Okay, now exactly it is giving all products properly. Then let me increase my button size also. So that button is there here. Then take product item with button. So inside here I'm using padding value as like 10 pixel, and next left and right I need like 20 pixels, and something used like a border radius something like 8 pixels, and next font size go with as like larger. Okay, I think larger is going to create more. Then let me use 15 pixels. Okay, fine. Now it is giving like this. Correct? Okay. Then change it to 60 once check that images. Okay. Now after completion of this one, then uh I after clicking of this product, okay, after clicking of this product details, I need to redirect to that particular product. So that is possible by using unique based on IDs, right? So each product they are providing what is it ID. So based on ID I will target to redirect to some other page. Then here I'm using on click event handler. On click event handler equals to inside on click event handler. Then let me give one function. So function name, call it as product details. Okay, now product details, it is providing one particular ID, then take product dot ID. Okay, now call that function here, then take function, then product details. Okay, product details having one ID. Okay, then here, then create individual products, then product details container. So for the product details container, I'm using one division. So division having class equals to product details, then same class name I'm providing to ID also, then take ID equals to product details. Present I don't want to show this one, then I'm making this as like display value as none. Okay, when I will click on this product details, then only I need to redirect to some other page. Okay, now for that situation, let me target here that element also. Okay, now I'm targeting here by using document dot get element by ID. So what is our ID name? Product details. Okay, product details, then store inside one variable. So variable name I'm using as product details. Okay, Now, when we are going to the product details, so based on ID, we are targeting all, right. So what I need to do, then again I'm fetching product, that too based on ID. Then take this URL again, take this URL again here, but this time this URL I'm providing. Suppose here I'm providing one, then what it will give? Check once. Okay, now what I will get here? One response, right? Then take here response. Okay, the I need to return that response. Use here return keyword with response response.jsn. Okay, now after converting to normal object, we have to write logic with one more than method. So use here name as like product. Okay, now check whether it is giving post product details or not. Okay, now console.log and inside your product. Okay, now what it is giving? Check in console. Okay, now I'm pressing, then it will give in console product related to one. Okay, product related to one it is giving. Suppose I'm clicking, then again it is giving product one details because I used after my products forward slash with one. So it will give only one product. It is taking some time to load it. Please stay with the patience. Okay. And next, instead of this one, what I need to do, I need to add this item, right? So how to add it? With the help of backticks, right? Use backticks and next dollar flower base with the ID. Okay. Now check what happened. It's creating headache because of loading process. Okay. See, I pressed second product, so it is giving for me second product details. So let me click on this last product, then it will give last product details. See, now it is giving last product details with ID equals to 20. Correct? Now, instead of this console, what I need to do? I need to write the logic. Now, how to write logic? Look it. Here each and everything is there here, right? Then let me target my product. So your product details is our parent, then take product details dot inner html equals to, then backticks, and inside backticks I need to add these details. Correct? So how to add it? Look it. Now I'm creating one division. Now, inside this division, take like class equals to, then provide here like product details item, product details item, And inside here I need to create one more division for image. Okay, now here I'm taking one image with src equals to then dollar flower base. Then what I need to do, I need to take my product dot image. Okay, then take alternate name equals to image, alternate name equals to image, and arrange that size by using like width equals to take as like 300, and next same thing height is also equals to 300. Okay, and next take one more division here. I'm taking one more division. So inside division I need to wrap each and every details related to this product. Then first detail is title, then h1 tag. Inside h1 I'm providing that product title, then use your product dot title. And next after that take as like one more h1. Okay, and inside h1 use your dollar with the price concatenation, take product dot price. Then after that then again I'm using h1 or use like paragraph. Okay, now inside paragraph dollar flower base I need to add a product dot description. Okay, if you want you can add rating also. So how they given rating, let me check once. Rating dot rate. Description completed and category is there. Okay, let me take category also. Okay, now paragraph, and next inside paragraph here I'm providing dollar flower base with the product dot category, and next rating we need to give. Then take paragraph, and inside paragraph I'm wrapping product dot rating, rating dot rate. Okay, once let me check. So when I need to show that product, so after clicking I need to show these products and I don't want to show this, correct? Okay, before going to that logic let me show for you, then you will get an idea. It is taking some time to load it. Loading problem, accessing problem. Okay. Now here number of products we are getting. Okay. Now after number of products, suppose I'm clicking this product. Click on that product. Now where it is showing that product, let me check. Okay. Present it is not showing because I given here this product value as display none. Correct? So let me take that one to the display block level. Okay, now here I'm using product details dot style dot display and value equals to block I'm providing instead of none. And next remaining thing like container value I need to show like none process. So take product dot style dot display and value equals to none. Okay. Now once again check output how it is providing. Okay, now fine. Then click on this product. Okay, now it is providing that product details. Correct. So to arrange this one, let me use CSS properties to this class name. Okay, now here I'm using like width equals to 100%. And next after that, uh, let me go with here. Okay, individually. Sorry. Okay, now individually take here like division 1 and use here class equals to division 2. Okay, now apply properties to this division 1 here dot division 1 and width I'm considering like 40% and remaining thing I'm using division 2. Okay, division 2 equals to width consider as like 60% and check it. Okay, now click on this product. Okay, now it is giving properly, right? Then adjust here based on display, flex direction, and justify content, center, and take align items equals to center. Okay, it is showing properly. Then take this one also. Text align value is center. Okay, good. Next, here I'm going to create. Okay, if you want, then take this as like title. Next, this one like price. Okay, something like description, category, and rate.